Now this, now this is boiling water, and I have to figure out... It's way fucked, dude. That's not symmetrical at all. Oh shit, blood.
Plug it, dude, plug it. Should we do an Overwatch hotness tier list? We're doing it. Man, she's literally dead in canon. She's been emotionally brainwashed. No. We can't put her in S.
I don't know the canon.
We need
I don't know.
consent. Consent is key, so C for consent.
But... Brig?
Butterface, but fucking...
What does Brig actually look like? Oh, for fuck's sake, I can't tell because of the fucking googly eyes.
I don't know, he sounds like he'd be fun in bed. He'd be like, Molten Core! And then go in the legendary skins. That's hot as fuck. Literally can't get any hotter than that. I'd say. Junkrat. You just didn't even say anything about Mercy.
She's hot. She has biggest boob head in Overwatch.
Booba. What the fuck is that posture? Look at her back. That's not good for your back. She's a Nazi. Look, Valkyrie, man.
Man, that was pre-Nazi. Fight of the Valkyrie was pre-Nazi.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
guy who
Wagner was a
little
irrecommendable
bit.
man.
She's hotter than Diva.
She's not hot. Lucia is way hotter than them. Roadhog literally has hog in the name. S tier.
Okay, Doom.
C tier.
Man, you're seriously putting Lucia above Doom. You're seriously telling me that this is not hotter than Lucia?
Yes.
I can't believe you're saying Lucia is hotter than fucking Doom. Doom knows how to treat him, man.
He clearly does not. No sense of rhythm. Difficult. Is that good?
It's not as good as your RPK. How do I convince my mum to not be a landlord?
My mum's kind of a landlord now. I mean, she is a landlord, but she's renting out our old rooms to make extra money. Which isn't as evil as your mum, but it's really cool to kill anyone.
Bro, come here. Look, come here. Look.
Shut the fuck up, I'm eating beans!
Come here.
I am
Look,
eating beans.
Look. So no head?
Can you control where you actually go?
Yeah, you gotta look there.
No, that doesn't work.
Ah!
Ah, pog. Where can I get weapon? Anywhere? Uh-oh. Yeah, same.
Oh no, Gordon!
Not Gordon. I died.
Fucking hell.
Help. Help. Please,
I'm coming, I need to... I'm dead. I missed the...
What? Oh my god.
Why are you still in the middle bit? This is why you're dying, because this is the worst area to be in.
I know.
So leave!
Oh, right.
Throw monkey!
Oh, this is bouncing better, not no gift fuck. No, I get
Open! No! Doghead!
You walking in a park in England.
Super!
Women and friends call me Superman. Oh my god, you must be so good in bed. No, I'm so good at urinal.
Okay, we have crew led.
Viv.
Drop me.
Drop it.
You won't win.
No.
Whoa.
Hi.
Don't
yeah.
fucking talk in warm-up.
Shut the fuck up, bitch! So you speak Russian?
Да. Он говорит по-русски, но он немного грубый.
А ты откуда вы русский язык выучили?
Ты знаешь Эва Эльфи?
Yes.
I'm eating plain pizza right now.
What do you mean plain pizza?
Well, what I mean is bread with ketchup on it. Have you ever successfully edge-webbed a meat?
Bro. They call me the Edge Master. Guys be like, you must be really good at sex. No, I'm really good at KZ.
One enemy remaining.
Holy shit.
I will block this dude. Oh, it's you.
Something else we could do. One of us dies, restarts, goes back to the plane, gets booze, comes back, just dives down the entire hole. I pick you up at the bottom. I know you'd want to go out this way.
Ein esli tvi budesh tak igrat to.
So, if you're gonna play like that, you're gonna be hard sucking broads.
Aw,
Man, it's so difficult!
what is, bitch?
The super jump. Yeah, go Mercy, I will show you how hard the super jump is. So first of all, crouch and left shift to this dude.
At the same time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
See that little jump you do at the end?
Yeah?
You have to jump at the same time as that happens.
Okay. Like that.
Don't fucking How? How?
I'll do it again. Let's go! Let's go! Let's
No, you can't change it. Now we can't believe you. You're such a fucking liar, man. Also, you're 12. Why am I arguing with you?
I have you fucking bitch! Fucking
Bear with me one moment while I just fly over here.
Yeah, I'm not actually doing anything.
So you were watching fucking Bake Off?
I don't actually want to.
Bro.
Help.
So here I am playing Call of Duty. Holy shit. No, insane flick. Whoa, there's a guy there. Oh, I got him. Watching Legal learn about laws that don't apply to me. Oh, nearly died there. Okay, now I'm alive, taking the, capturing the zone B. Oh, there's two of them. Whoa, insane flick. Holy shit. Nearly died there. Okay, that wasn't that good, not gonna lie. Now we're reloading. Okay, now we're gonna peek. You ready for this shit? This is insane. You ready? Whoa! Didn't even see both of them. I'll donate you an AWP to kill green with, if you give it back.
Yeah. Sure.
Park. Let's go, let's go!
One B.
Muy bien.
Una piña colada, por favor.
Una pina colada.
Por favor.
Una pina colada, motherfucker.
Señora, sí, doctor.
Going up.
Three.
You're gonna report us for what? Top fragging?
No, for griefing.
For griefing while top fragging?
You're get blocking me, man.
You get to give it that